Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm outside in the garden and I really didn't have anything much planned when I woke up, but I think I'm going to do a second planting of zucchini and squash, and I'm going to plant them in the U-shaped bed. So I'm going to bring you along. I thought I would give you a different point of view this time on the video. So the camera is actually sitting in the bed, and you're going to see what I see when I'm planting. What we're starting right now are the dark green zucchini here. And I think I'm only going to put 2, maybe 3 in this location. Make sure that I separate them and keep them apart because they do get kind of big. So that's the second one. And we'll put the third one right here. Now we have a label, so we'll take that and put it here. There we go. Okay, and we're going to put the seeds that we didn't use back in. Now we're going to go over to the other side of the bed. And hopefully you can see, turn you a little bit. And hopefully you can see. We're going to put the supersonic straight neck squash on this side. And we'll put one here. We'll put one here. We'll put one here. And we'll put one more down at the far end. And the rest of my hand we'll put back in the bag. Only one. We have 2 seeds of this variety left, but I'm not going to go ahead and plant them in this bed. We'll put our label down behind our riser so it doesn't get too wet and we remember what it is. Now we're going to go to one more space in this bed and maybe plant 2 of the early prolific straight neck squash. Okay, we're going to put one of the supersonics here. We're going to put one here. And last but not least, we'll put one here. And we'll put our label in. And there we go. So we have squash and zucchini on this side, and we have squash over here. Supersonic squash and early straight neck squash and dark green zucchini. Like I said previously, it wasn't my ideal to start a second planting, but I figured why not? We have this bed, half of this bed that wasn't in use, so let's use it. Now, during the fall, I'm going to plant 2 different types of onions in the bed, but for right now, I can make use of it. My little bell peppers are coming in greatly. Beans in this bed are doing pretty good. I sprayed them because there's some type of worm damage, so I want to stay on that before it gets too bad. In this bed, we have black-eyed peas, and they're starting to vine, so it won't be long now before we're harvesting. Hopefully you can see this pretty well. I am really excited about this. My red Scotch bonnets are finally making their appearance, and there's blooms all over, which means it won't be long now before I'll be harvesting my favorite type of pepper. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did some planting. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting, I appreciate you. Take a moment to consider subscribing. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like bell, the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.